The Residence Nil Rate Band was introduced in 2017 as an additional amount that could be passed on tax-free against the value of your family home on your death. The Residence Nil Rate Band currently is £175,000, so taking advantage of this threshold can save your estate and your family tens of thousands of pounds worth of tax. But the rules aren't that simple. To use the Residence Nil Rate Band, you must pass your property onto a direct descendant, such as children, and this can include foster, adopted or stepchildren, or to your grandchildren, but not nieces or nephews. Importantly, you cannot use a discretionary trust to pass on your home, but some other types of trusts do qualify. Taking advantage of the full Residence Nil Rate Band could give your estate a tax-free threshold of £500,000 each. However, if you have an estate worth more than £2 million, your Residential Nil Rate Band will gradually reduce or taper away. This applies even if your home is left to your direct descendants. The Residence Nil Rate Band will reduce by £1 for every £2 that your estate is worth more than £2 million. And this means that estates worth more than £2.35 million may not benefit from it at all. Again, the rules are complex. HMRC uses a slightly different calculation to work out the value of your estate when it comes to the Residence Nil Rate Band. If your estate is close to the £2 million mark, I really suggest that you speak to a financial planner to see how the Residence Nil Rate Band affects you and also what you can do to make the most of it. So let's take a look at an example. A man dies in the tax year 2020-2021, leaving an estate worth £2,100,000 to his children. This includes a home worth £450,000. The maximum residential nil rate band in the tax year 2020-21 is £175,000, and the estate is worth more than the taper threshold of £2 million by £100,000. The residential nil rate band tapers away by £1 for every £2 that the estate is more than the taper threshold. So the residential nil rate band reduces by 50k. Residential nil rate band therefore is £175,000. And so 450 and 175 less the taper amount of 50 is the net residential nil rate band for the estate 125,000. If his estate was worth more than 2.35 million, the residential nil rate band would taper away completely. The value of the estate for taper purposes is the total of all the assets in the estate, less any debts or liabilities. When you work out how much the estate is worth, do not take off any exemptions, such as a spouse exemption, reliefs such as agricultural or business property relief. Ignore assets that are specifically excluded from inheritance tax. Thanks so much for checking out my YouTube channel. I'm Justin King. My aim is to help people live successful lives, and that often involves understanding your money. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please press the like button to help more people like you find my channel, and subscribe of course. Please check out the description below for all the useful links to the things I've discussed in this video. And for now, I'm Justin King, helping you live your best life.